Hello! In front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable app drawer. As you can see right now, the app drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen. Go to settings and enter home screen layout. Now in order to disable app drawer, select home screen only. Apply. And now app drawer is disabled. Let's enable it again. So let's enter settings, go to home screen, layout, and select home and apps screens, apply, and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.